What's up everybody? As you have seen from the title, this is not the usual cost of living in video. In this video I'm gonna review a little bit this new GoPro. I had the 7 last time. I'm a fan of the GoPro series and I thought it's time to upgrade. If I had the GoPro 9 I probably wouldn't have upgraded, but as I have only the 7 I decided to purchase it, and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts. It's nice to have a screen where you can see yourself. I'm in an environment where there is a lot of noise, so this is a good test for the audio quality. I gotta be careful to not watch the screen but watch the lens. And yeah, let's see today and the next few days what this GoPro looks like and test it. One problem that the GoPro always had and probably still has is when filming in low light. Something I do to avoid that is to set a maximum ISO of 1600, which still is probably too high, but we'll see right now because I have a photo shoot inside of a restaurant and I have to photograph some food. We'll see how it performs there. Today it's gonna be the ultimate stabilization challenge, as I'm going to play some tennis and we'll see how the footage will end up looking. By the way, I'm recording in 4K the linear lens with the level horizon, which means that I can tilt the screen a lot until it flips actually. So super stable. It's gonna be really difficult to get shaky footage with this kind of stabilization, but let's try. And the time warp feature apparently is better now. I always found it cool to have, nice to have. You'll see it now. How does it look? Do you like it? Will you ever use it? I use it sometimes, but not too often. So let me give you my final thoughts on the GoPro 10. And those are that probably if you have a GoPro that's only one generation older, I wouldn't recommend upgrading. So if you have the 9, I wouldn't buy the 10. But if you have an older version, for example the 7 or the 8, I would buy the new GoPro because there are enough improvements to justify the upgrade. Also, in my opinion, if you are already invested in the GoPro system, so if you have the mounts, I would definitely stick with the GoPro and buy this new one. But otherwise, if you have never purchased an action camera, I maybe would wait for the DJI Osmo 2 that's coming out in the next few weeks, months. And yeah, otherwise I really like the GoPro because it's a super versatile camera. They always say the best camera is the one that you have with you, and I always carry at least one GoPro with me. So yeah, I love the system and that's why I purchased it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.